Hi, this is Talon Jane. This is my week 1 FTT 111 practical exercise. Today is November 27th, 2022. Thanks. Before we begin, we need to ensure that our work area is free of any live ammunition, which you can tell just by looking at the work area here. There is no live ammunition. Next, we have to clear the weapon, which as you can see here, the weapon is on safe. We'll drop the magazine by pressing the magazine release button, ensuring that there is no ammunition in the magazine. Racking the slide to the rear and locking it, both visually and physically inspecting the chamber and the magazine well to ensure that there's no ammunition. Next, we'll go over the cycle of operations. In order to do that, we'll be using a snap cap. We'll load the snap cap into the magazine. We'll place the magazine into the firearm, and this will begin the cycle of operations. You'll see feeding. We'll grab the bullet and load it into the chamber, which begins chambering. Then you have locking, which now this is locked. Then we have firing, which this will not fire because we have the safety on. Now we turn the safety off. That begins firing. Then we have unlocking, which will be when this breaks open. There we go. And cocking will happen as the slide returns to the rear, as well as extracting, which you can see the extractor is grabbed a hold of the rim of the ammunition, and ejecting. That completes the cycle of operations. In order to do a full functions check, we'll load 2 rounds into the magazine, place the weapon back on safe. Load 2 rounds into the magazine, both snap caps, while keeping the weapon pointed in a safe direction. Load the magazine. The round is loaded. Can't fire. Can fire. Cock the magazine. Listen for the trigger reset. Triggers reset. And it locks to the rear. Drop the magazine. Clear. Clear. That completes the functions check of the P365. Again, this is Talon Jane for my FTT 111 Week 1 practical exercise, and this completes my submission. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.